What's up? Got a plant order from eBay in the mail. It's a Monstera Obliqua, Peruvian. So we are, let's see what we got. Soil kind of tossed around there. Sorry. Not really packed very well at all. I'm not worried too much about that. A little bit dry, not too bad. A little bit beat up, but we're gonna get it back right. So subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with the journey of this plant. I'm gonna try to get it back healthy. It's got the right conditions right now. Outside it's raining, so I'm about to lay this on some soil and put it out in the rain, and she should kick back. So I will do a follow-up video and keep the channel updated on this plant right here.